Hey everyone, Alex here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to color grade your spring footage using Wondershare Filmora. If you want those fresh, vibrant greens, soft, warm tones and that clean cinematic look, let's jump right in. Now, of course, there's no one size fits all in color grading, but of course we have a theory that you can follow, and the very first step of that is to color correct. Then we move on to the primary grading, and then lastly we move on to the secondary color grading. Alright, so let's move back to the color correction process and see how it goes. Now this is where you correct all the colors which are off the handle, just to make everything feel and look real, just like you can see everything in your real world with your eyes. Now according to this footage right here, you can see that we need to work with the highlights, and for that navigate to the HDR tab right here and then adjust the highlights, adjust the light. After that, go to the curves right here. This is your exposure curve. Right here, we just want to work with the highlights. Now you're going to put a control point somewhere here. Now adjust a control point on the upper side of your curve. Now that everything is looking real, our very first procedure of color correction is done. Now the second procedure right here, let's go back to the basic tab. Now this stage right here is actually controlled by your storytelling. So you have to twist the colors or the atmosphere or the scene to fit a particular scene and to evoke specific emotions. Now for that, I make it a little warm and adjust the rest of the parameters accordingly. Alright, move on to the color wheels and then adjust the color wheels to match your desired look. Now on this second stage of the process, which is the primary color grading, you can also reach out for the filters, and that is going to help you achieve your theme. Now since this is the spring theme, Filmora is a large library of spring filters that you can choose from. For example, you can scroll down along this right here and choose the one which can help you evoke the very spring emotions. Now for that, I'm going to choose this one right here and then adjust the filter. Let's move on to the final stage of this whole procedure, which is the secondary color grading. And right here, we're going to focus with individual portions or different or individual colors. And now for that, you can either use the HSL or you can go to and scroll down. You're going to see the hue versus saturation. Right here, you can actually pick the exact color using the color picker from the screen right here, and then adjust that particular area. Either raise up the colors, which is increasing the saturation, or dropping down the curve, which is reducing the saturation, which means reducing the saturation. Now, as you can see right here, we have specific colors popping up actually as we wanted. Thank you so much for checking out the spring episode. If you don't have Filmora yet, use the link in the description and download the latest version. And until I meet you in the next one, peace.